Dear 9th standard students, so in the previous video, we have seen the solution of the exercise of chapter expansion of binomial and trinomial. Until 15th question we have done in part 1. Now this is the part 2. From 16th question we are going to solve. So this is the 16th question I'm doing of that is first question, part A. In this question we have to find the product by using some standard identity. Okay, so as one can easily find the product by multiplying this x with this whole, y with this whole, and 3 with this whole and expanding, but we need to use one identity. That identity says that in the previous session we have seen this identity. This identity says like this, that x plus a into x plus b, it gives x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Now here we have the condition that x plus y plus 3 and x plus y plus 2. Now if I say that you can consider this and this as one unit and this as the another one, so we can mold this question in this identity. Okay, so how we can solve? See, the solution is started from here, that using identity x plus a, x plus b, this one. Okay, x plus y plus 3 and x plus y plus 2 can be written as x plus y whole square plus 3 plus 2 into x plus y plus 3 into 2. Now how I have written this as this one? Because I told you consider this as one unit. So if x plus a and x plus b gives x square plus a plus b times this x plus ab, then x plus y and x plus y, if it is the case, then x plus y whole square plus, this is your a, this is your b, 3 plus 2 into, if it is x here, and in place of x here x plus y if we have, then we'll write x plus y plus ab, 3 into 2. Okay, now we know x plus y whole square says x square plus 2xy plus y square by the identity. Okay, 3 plus 2 is what? 5, and 3 into 2 is what? 6. So finally multiply this inside, this is 5x plus 5y plus 6. Now what you can do, you can arrange this, or this is only the final answer. You can arrange it in a way like x square plus 5x plus y square plus 5y plus 2xy plus 6. That is, this is also correct. Okay, all right, now this is the C question. B will be homework for you that you can do easily. See, in the C question there is some trick, or we can see there is some challenge here. As you can see that this is x plus 2y and this is x plus y. That means they are not similar. So we cannot take these two as one unit. So what I can see from here, this is x minus 1 and here also x minus 1 is there. So as it can be written as x minus 1 plus 2y and x minus 1 plus y. See what I have done, I have arranged this x minus 1 here plus 2y and this x minus 1 here and plus y. Now can you see these two similar? Consider these two as a similar unit. Again using identity. Which identity we will use? Positive case is there. So x plus a and x plus b, which you know what is that. Okay, x square plus a plus b times x plus ab, this we know. Okay, so use here. So x minus 1 plus 2y and x minus 1 plus y, that means this two as one unit. So it will be x square. So here we have x minus 1. So x minus 1 whole square plus a plus b. A is 2y and b is also y, into what is x. In place of x we will write, wait, let me write here, x square, that means x minus 1 whole square plus a plus b, 2y plus y, and what is in place of x, x minus 1, a into b, this is 2y into y, simple as that. Okay, x minus 1 whole square is what, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 1 square is 1 only, that is understood. 2y plus y will give you what, 3y. Okay, 2y into y into y is y square, and 2, this will be 2y square, x square plus 1 minus 2x plus, now multiply this inside, so 3y into x will be 3xy minus 3y into 1 will give you minus of 3y plus 2y square. This is the final answer. That means you can arrange it, okay, x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 3y plus 3xy. Okay, no problem in that. Let us come to the 17th question. 17th question is, write the following as perfect square. You have to write, see, sometimes the question will be asked that you will be given an expanded form and you have to write in the perfect square or in the factorized form. That means in the simpler form. You'll be given in the expanded one and you have to write in a simpler form. Same as here. See, this is the expanded one and you have to write it in the terms of perfect square. That means you need to make this as a perfect square. So let us make this one. Always remember that in a plus b whole square identity, you have a square, b square and a 2ab term. A square term, b square term and 2ab term. Okay, so as a plus b whole square gives a square plus b square plus 2ab term. Similarly, you have to just find that which will be the a square term, b square term, and according to that you mold ab. See, as I can see that from this 4x square plus 4x plus 1, this 1 can be written as 1 square. Can we? Yes. This 4x square, can we write it as 2x the whole square? That means you got a square and b square term. Now let us verify that this 4x, can this 4x be written as 2 into this 2x into this 1 and plus 1 square? See, again, this 1 I'm writing it as 1 square. This 4x square I'm writing it as 2x the whole square. And this term, let me mold according to this one. Now the formula says 2 should be there. So this C I've written 2 here. What is left? This 2x. And what is left? This 1. This is A term. This is B term. And when you multiply 2 into 2x into 1, you will get 4x only. So from here, what can you write? This is your A, this is your B, and as it is a case of positive, see 2ab term, before 2ab if it is positive, then this is a plus b whole square identity case, and in if this could be minus, then it is a minus b the whole square case. So from here, can we write that this is an identity of 2x plus 1 whole square, right? Because a is 2x, b is 1. And if you want to confirm your answer, expand it. If you are getting this answer, that means you are correct. Okay, let us come to this question. This 1 can be written as 1 the square, okay, plus, I'm leaving some space. This 9 upon a square, can it be written as 3 upon a the whole square, right? Why? Because 9 is 3 square. A square can be written as a, that is a square is a square. So this 3 upon a whole square, see, it becomes a and it becomes b. Now what is left? You need a 2ab term. So 2 into a. A, if you consider 1, 1. B will be 3 by 2. And when you multiply, you will get 6 upon a. How? 2 into 3 is 6 upon a, 6 upon a. Understood? Okay, so from here we can write this is the identity. An identity of what? If this is A and if this is B, then it is 1 plus 3 upon A whole square identity. So this is only the question. So you need to understand the concept behind this. Okay. Okay, let us come to the 18th question, which says that indicate the perfect square among the following. You have to indicate the perfect square. Okay, express each of the perfect square as a square of the binomial. You have to express, that means what we have done in the 17th question, same we have to do. Okay, what number should be added to those which are not perfect square? Okay, some questions are there where it is not a perfect square, so we have to find that what number should be added so that we can make it as a perfect square. We'll see the question. So that the expression may become perfect square. Okay, no problem. Let us see, this is the first question I've written. This is 36x square minus 60xy plus 25y square. This is the question. Now let us check whether it is a perfect square or not. I told you that what we have to do. You just find that which is a square and which is b square. See, as we can see that these two expressions, it can be written as a perfect square. 36x square can be written as 6x the whole square. I'm leaving some space. Plus 25y square can be written as 5y square. Okay, this minus sign I'm writing minus sign. According to our identity, we have two AB terms. So that formula wala 2 I'm writing here. Okay, into A. What is our A? 6x. So 6x. What is your B? 5y. Write 5y. No problem. Now if you multiply, let us multiply. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 6, 60. Here is your 60. X into y. Here is your xy. So that means it is confirmed that it is a perfect square. And it is a perfect square of what? 6x minus 5y the whole square. Now why I have written minus sign here? Because before 2ab term we have minus, and this is the identity. So yes, at last you have to write yes, it is a perfect square. Nothing you have to add or subtract. This is a perfect square. All right, now see, this is the B question I'm taking. Okay, so in between I'm going to use Hindi. Okay, pardon me for that. X square can, this is x square whole square, x whole square. Okay, the a square term 1 square, ठीक है, plus identity says 2 into a into b. चलो 2 into x 2x हो जाएगा, ठीक है. अब हमारे क्वेश्चन में तो 4x है और ये इंटू करने पे 2x आया. क्यों? अच्छा, ये क्यों इंटू करा? हमको 2a भी चाहिए था. a हमारा x है, b हमारा 1 है, तो 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू 1. अब 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू 1 करने पे तो 2x आता है, बट क्वेश्चन में 4x है, मतलब ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, एज इट इज नॉट फॉलोइंग द आइडेंटिटी. इट इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ओके, एक्स स्क्वायर. अब हम वापस क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस आइडेंटिटी वाला 2 इंटू ये ए वाला x. अब बचा क्या? 4x में से हमने 2 लिख दिया, x लिख दिया, बचा क्या? 2 बचा, क्योंकि 2 इंटू 2 4, 4 इंटू एक्स 4x हो जाता. प्लस 1 को हम 1 का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ये हमारा आइडेंटिटी वाला 2 है, ये हमारा a है, तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? b. अब हमारा a तो यहाँ पे x आ गया. अब b हमको क्या होना चाहिए था? 2, बट ये तो 1 का स्क्वायर है. यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए था? विच मीन्स 2 का स्क्वायर होना चाहिए था. अब ये 2 का स्क्वायर नहीं है, ये क्या है? 1 का स्क्वायर है. तो अब 1 के स्क्वायर को, अगर हमको 1 का स्क्वायर होता है 1, अब मेरे को 1 को क्या बनाना है, 4 बनाना है। क्यों 4? क्योंकि 2 का स्क्वायर होना चाहिए था। अब 1 को अगर 4 बनाना है तो इसमें हमको क्या जोड़ना पड़ेगा, 3। तभी हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, 4 लिख सकते हैं और 4 को 2 का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं और वो 2 यहाँ पे सेटिस्फाई होगा। इसी वजह से हमको यहाँ पे 3 चाहिए। ठीक है, तो ये जब 3 इसके साथ ऐड होगा तो ये मैं इधर बता रहा हूँ, ये हो जाएगा आपका 4, जिसको आप 2 का होल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हो। तब आपकी आइडेंटिटी सेटिस्फाई होगी, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू ए इंटू बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर, मतलब 2 का स्क्वायर। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, in the expression 3 is to be added. Okay, again I'm explaining, ये एक्स स्क्वायर था प्लस 2ab, 2 इंटू ए इंटू बी। अब ये 2 इंटू एक्स तो हो गया, बचा क्या, आप डिवाइड करके देख लो, जो बचेगा दैट मीन्स 4x को अगर 2x से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि b क्या होगा। तो 4x को अगर आप 2x से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको 2 मिलेगा, तो ये आपका 2 हो गया। अब b स्क्वायर भी तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए, मतलब b अगर 2 है तो b स्क्वायर भी 2 होना चाहिए, बट ये 1 का स्क्वायर है, 1 का स्क्वायर 1 होता है। अब इसको 4 बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि 2 का स्क्वायर 4 होता है, तो हम 3 को ऐड करेंगे, 3 is to be added like this. अब now let us see C question. See, this is 4a square plus 4a, only this much. In our identity a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square, how many terms we used to get? 3 terms, but here we have 2 terms only. So this is not a perfect square. From the question only you can write this is not a perfect square. Now let us make this as a perfect square. That means we have to add something in it, as we have done in the previous question. Okay, this 4a square, can we write 2a the whole square? All right, plus the identity 2. In the identity 2a we know, so that 2 into a is what, 2a. Okay, इन दोनों को इंटू करते, 2 इंटू 2a क्या होगा, 4a होगा। अब ये तो सेटिस्फाई हो गया, मतलब हमको इसके साथ कोई ऐसा नंबर चाहिए b जो इसके साथ क्या हो जाए, इंटू होके यही मिले। तो क्या, कौन सा नंबर है ऐसा, 1 ऐसा नंबर है जो आप इसको इंटू करोगे तो आपको वही मिलेगा। तो इसका मतलब क्या है, हमको किसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा, 1 के स्क्वायर को ऐड करना पड़ेगा इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए, और वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा, 2a प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर। वेट, हमने ए क्वेश्चन में क्या देखा था, सॉरी बी क्वेश्चन में क्या देखा था लास्ट में, वी हैव सीन दैट सी दैट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 1, दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 2x इंटू 2 प्लस 1 square plus 3. So this will be what, 4 plus 4. So the identity is x plus 2 the whole square. Please note this in the B question. I have missed this part. Okay, this is x square. Final answer is see, 3 things were asked. If it is a perfect square, what shall be added and how can you write in the perfect square? So the first question, it was not a perfect square. Second answer is 3 is to be added, and what will be the perfect square, x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, so here also this question, it is not a perfect square. This we have written as 2a whole square plus 4a 2 into 2a. Okay, this is satisfied. We have to multiply 1, and what shall be added, plus 1 square. Why 1 square? This is b square to make the identity. So the identity will be 2a plus 1 the whole square. So before that you have to write 1 is to be 1 square is to be added to the expression to make it a perfect square. That is 2a plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the 19th question, and the question says find the missing term in each of the following so that expression becomes a perfect square. So this three questions I have done. See, for the 18th question, the D, E, F questions, those are very simple, and let me tell you, give you the hint, they all are the perfect squares. Okay, so you can go on finding it. So now let us come to the 19th question. This is the missing term and we have to find it, and condition is given that they are a perfect square. Let us find. See, this 25x square I've written as 5x whole square. This 49 I've written 7 square. Now see, this is the a square term, this is the b square term. That means what we want? We want 2ab term. 2 into a into b. So that is 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 7, 70, into x, 70x. So this is the answer. This is the missing term. Okay, D question. 16a square plus 8a plus dash. See, this is a square. In this, if the degree is 2, that means this is a square term. It can be a square term. This is only 8a. That means this is a 2a. It can be a 2a term, 2ab term. Okay, and according to see the position of missing term is this here. So that means this is a b position, b square position. We need to find b here. 16a square can be written as 4a square plus 8a. First of all, the identity, okay, into a we already got, that is 4a. 4 2s are 8, 8a upon 8a. I told you how can you find b. 8a, this 8a divided by 8a. This is 1, that means 1 is required. So into 1 plus 1 square to make it a perfect square. So we need 1. So here missing term will be 1 square or 1. Then come to the F question. What F question says? X square minus 2 plus missing term. That means again we need to find what? B square, B term. X square can be written as x square, no problem, minus 2 into a, also we have written a, into, now I told you, just forget this thing for a moment, 2 into x, a, this is x, what will be b? I told you, divide this with this one, 2 upon 2x, 2 to 2 cancel, 1 upon x, you got 1 upon x, that means it is b. So into 1 upon x. See, if you cancel x to x, you will get 2 only. Plus. So can you tell me what will be b square? 1 upon x the whole square. So what will be the answer? 1 upon x square. 1 square is 1. X square is x square. Like that. Okay, this is the 20th question. Each of the following is a perfect square. Find the numerical value of x. So in this question, we will be given that this expression will be a perfect square and somewhere you have to find k in it. So this is very important condition that it is a perfect square. Given expression is a perfect square. So this 11, this is 121, which is a square of 11. So this is 11a the whole square plus this is what? 1 the whole square plus, if I write according to this identity, that is what will be 2ab, 2 into a into b. Okay, given this expression is a perfect square, this I have written 11a square, this one can be written 1 square, and according to these two we can write this. Alright, on comparing, that is this ka we have to compare it with this middle term, that is ka is equal to 2 into 11 into a. A to A will get cancelled, so the value of k will be 22, that is 2 into 11, which is 22. So your answer will be what? 22. Okay, understood? Now see the C part, C question. It is given 4x to the power 4 plus 12x square plus k. Again, given it is a perfect square, so we can write, see, this is a square term, this is 2ab term, and this is b square term. Always remember, in the question you will see in this series only, first a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this 4x to the power 4, can I write it as 2x square whole square? 2 square 4, x square whole square will give you x to the power 4 plus, this is 2ab term, which means 2 into a, we got 2x square. So what will be b? I told you, divide this with this one, 12x square upon 2 2s are 4x square, x square to x square cancel, 3, that means you got 3 as b. Multiply it, if you get this, that means you are correct. Plus, now according to all these things, if this is your a, if this is your 2ab, b square, that means 3 square. So on comparing, k equal to 3 square, which is 9. So hence k is equal to 9. This is the answer. Now let us come to the 22nd question. See, 21st question, as I can see that it is very easy and you can easily solve it if you have understood 17, 18, 19 and 20 question. So 21 is very easy, you can do that question. I'm doing 22nd, which says simplify by applying the standard formula, and that standard formula is a plus b, a minus b. What is a plus b, a minus b? A square minus b square. So we are going to use that for formula here. See, 5x minus 9, 5x plus 9. A, what is our a? 5x. In place of b you have 9. Always remember, this a should be same and this b should be same, then only you can apply a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So solution using a plus b, a minus b identity. See, in each and every question you write using this identity, using that identity. Okay, no need of directly writing it. In the exam also you should remember that wherever you use identity, mention it very clearly, highlight it. Okay, so here a is what? See, identity is a square minus b square, that means a square minus b square, because a is 5x and b is 9. 5x whole square will give you 25x square and 9 square will give you 81. That's it. This is only the answer. C. This is somewhat different one. We are doing the C question, which says a plus b minus c and a minus b plus c. See, in this you have to use some other that means other level trick or the step to do this question. See, there is nothing matching. If you take these two as one unit and these two as one unit, this is a plus b and this is a minus b. No, we cannot take. This is also minus c, this is also plus c. So all the signs are very changed one. So we need to arrange this question. How we will arrange this one? Okay, see, solution. A plus b minus c, a minus, I'm taking minus common from this one, take minus common, so what you will get? Bracket b minus c. Can we get like this? See what I'm doing, and also I'm making this as one unit. A plus sign here, this two I have taken in the bracket, no problem in this one, into a here. Okay, from these two I have taken minus common. See, minus I have taken common, so this b and this plus will become minus. If you won't understand this step, okay, go back. How? Multiply minus inside, minus into b, this is minus b, minus minus plus c. Okay, so if you want to take minus common from this, take minus common, this will be positive and this will be negative. Now can you see that this one and this one, they both are same, and this one and this one, they both are same? That means a plus b into a minus b. A is a only, in place of b we have b minus c. So using a plus b, a minus b, see, okay, to avoid the confusion, let us right? X plus y, x minus y is what? X square minus y square. Your x is a, this x, identity is x is a, and identity is y is b minus c. So it will be a square, that is x square, a square minus b square, like that. Okay, again if you want to go on further, a square minus, what is b minus c whole square? B square minus 2bc plus c square, that a minus b whole square identity I have used. B square minus 2 into b into c plus c square. Now introduce this minus inside, a square minus b square minus minus plus 2bc minus plus minus c square. This is the final answer. Okay. Okay, now see this E1. This is also a different kind of question. Here, three things are given to us. Okay, and we need to take in the pair. So as I can see that this a 1 plus a and 1 minus a, this two can be taken into the pair. And in this, the standard formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square is applying in it. How? A plus b, a minus b, 1 plus a, 1 minus a. So using identity, 1 plus a, 1 minus a can be written as 1 square minus a square. And this is going on. You don't have to skip this one. In each and every step, this is going on. Okay, so these two, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. 1 square is 1. See, again you have an identity. You can again use identity. A minus b, a plus b. The same identity you can use. Okay, see, a plus b and a minus into a minus b is same, and a minus b into a plus b is same. See, 1 into 2 is equivalent to 2 into 1. Okay, similarly here, a minus b into a plus b is same identity. So 1 minus 1 square, 1 plus 1 square. So 1 square minus a square whole square, because in place of b we have a square. So a squares whole square. So 1 square is 1, a square whole square will give you a to the power 4. This is the final answer. Okay, now let us come to 23rd question. 23rd question says that if a minus 1 upon a is 3, then find the value of a square minus 1 upon a square. हमको इसकी value find करना है. Since we know a square minus 1 upon a square is following an identity, a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b, जहाँ पे a हमारा a है और b है 1 upon a. तो a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a. If we can find the value of this one and this one, we can easily get the answer. Now we have a minus 1 upon a value 3, but we don't have a plus 1 upon a value. Let us find this one with the given part. Given this, squaring both the side, दोनों side square करेंगे. Okay. Now, if on doing the square, what does this square says? A square minus 2ab, that 2ab that will be cancelled, minus 2 will only be left, plus b square is equal to 3 square 9. Take this minus to that side and just find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 11. Keep it as it is. Okay, keep this thing as it is. Now we know that a plus 1 upon a whole square is a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Okay, this a square plus 1 upon a square, see, we can put 11 here. Before only we found, okay, plus 2, 11 plus 2 is 13. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 13. This square, it will be cancelled, so root will be here. So we got the value of a plus 1 upon a. So again come here. As a square minus 1 upon a square is a plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a. So in place of a plus 1 upon a, you got under root 13. So under root 13 into a minus 1 upon a, you already have 3. So 3 root 13 is the final answer. So how you will write here? See, again you write, then in place of this, you write under root 13. In place of this, write and on multiplying 3 root 13 is the final answer.